take the whole rear end apart. We're here for the shock. So take this off. It's gonna be at 18, well, at least mine was, and it was double nutted. And then once you get that off, you're gonna get this bolt off with 2 washers. So you get that loose. So this is loose right here. Then you gotta take all the interior out of the trunk, which again, I already have done because I'm doing fixing rust and stuff in here. So then you're gonna see your strut tire right here. And then this is this was a 14 millimeter. And then if yours is spinning, you might want to use a channel lock. So I use a ratcheting wrench with which I can do the same on this side. You just put this in here, spin it left, but as you can see, the whole thing is turning. So that's where you use your channel lock. Let's go ahead and do that. So it's literally going to just fall right out. Alright, so that's the old one. Is it bad? Yeah, I think it is. I mean, the car didn't ride really good. So you come over here. I went with KYB. No reason, it's just my preferred brand. And it is cold out here. So I'll take this out. Oh, we got some new things. So we got new things. We got this. They've been doing nut for up top. Yeah, this. No idea where it's all going to go, but we're going to figure it out right now. Like how the old one goes. Take off this zip tie thingy real quick. Alright, no idea how this particular one is supposed to go on. I don't know, it's supposed to be like this. I don't know, it's supposed to be like this. I mean, the directions are not really specific. So that's a little disappointing. Not really sure. I mean, there's A and then B, but as you can see, they don't match the pictures that well. I don't know. So I'm confused. So I think B will go on the top facing down like that. So I think this is probably going to be B in this picture. So A is going to go on like that. Maybe like that. And then B will go down like that. Like this. So that's what we're going to try. We're going to try it this way, guys. That is what we will do. We're going to try to go with this. And of course the body is in between like this. Alright. Alright. So apparently I had to take that thing upside down and then hammer it in there. So that's what we got. I almost gave up, but I was like, let me try this. So that's it. And then on the bottom, you just tighten the 2 nuts that you took off. I like to put a jack, supposed to do it with it having force. So that's how you do rear shocks on this thing. So any comments, questions, concerns, comment, like, subscribe, you know the deal, down below. Peace.